The Web Client of MARIProject for SAP Business One enables you to fully plan and document the production of a complex item in the scope of a project. In our example project, we use a balcony solar plant as a production task for which 2 solar modules are to be pre-assembled and tested in an assembly hall. The production task is based on a bill of materials with all items and services. The system immediately shows that the required items are in stock. When creating the production task, the project manager automatically registers the material requirement in the ERP system. Then he schedules employees for this task. In the assembly hall, the installer logs onto the kiosk tablet and finds the production task planned for that day. He opens it and starts the timesheet entry. Once assembly is complete, the installer records the items used and stops the timesheet entry. The quality manager logs into the MARIProject app and starts her timesheet entry. She checks the solar module, assigns the serial number, and stops her timesheet entry for this task. As soon as the recorded data is displayed, the project manager can complete the production task. During this process, the documents for the stock issue of the used items and the receipt of the finished item are generated automatically. A look at the project warehouse shows that the new item is now ready for further processing. As you can see, the entire production process is digitized uniformly in the project. This means that you have access to all information and can evaluate costs. If you would like to learn more about MARIProject and SAP Business One, please contact us via phone or email. We look forward to hearing from you.